Say hi to the kitty.
It's like she wants to be close, but she definitely wants it on her terms.
Yeah. You say hi to the kitty? Ellie.
And she's busy with the basket in her cup.
I guess. What are you doing?
Yeah. Look at you. Look at you. Yeah.
That's interesting.
Oh, she wants boxes. Well, put the basket down and get your cup.
Huh?
Put the basket down and get your cup. You can get it. You put it in there so you can get it out. Yeah, go ahead.
Here, I'll take the basket. Okay, thank you.
Now
All right, go ahead, get the cup.
Get your cup.
Go on.
You can do it.
What a character. Getting it?
Did you get it yet? Almost?
Hooray!
You did it! Good job! You got it out. Yeah, now you can have your basket back. Yeah, here you go. Oh, I think he wants to explore a little bit. Uh-oh.
He's a cutie pie. Double cat.
It's okay, honey.
Cutie pie.